Here's how to add countdown timer in Premiere Pro. First of all, go to your project panel and click on this new item and add black video. Click on OK and drag and drop this black video to your timeline. And then select the black video and click on effects, and in effect search for timecode and add the timecode effect to the black video clip. Then select the black video clip, go to effect controls, and here click on this blending mode, select screen, and then let's resize these countdown timers. So here I'm scaling, giving 200, and here I'm just positioning my countdown timer. And then here under timecode, uncheck field symbol and click on timecode source, select generate, and time display, select here 30 non-drop frame. So currently, as you can see, this countdown timer is only 5 seconds. If you want to increase the seconds, then just make the black and white clip large, just like this. I'm selecting here 10 seconds. And now we can see this timer is for 10 seconds. And after that, right click on your black video clip and click on next. Click on OK. Then again select the black video clip, go to effect controls, click on blend mode, select screen. Now right click on the clip and click on speed duration, enable reverse speed, and click on OK. Now if I play my timeline, we can see the countdown timer successfully added. Now if you want to remove these extra 00 from your countdown timer, then again go to effects and search for crop and add the crop effect to your countdown timer clip, and then go to effect controls, and here I want to cut these 00 from this timer left side. So here left value I'm giving 40, again increasing it to 60, 50 will be perfect. Okay, we can see the final result, countdown timer successfully added. Thanks for watching.